Okay, so, hey guys. So, I'm about to do remodel my room. I've already cleaned up in here, but yeah. There's just stuff in here that I don't like. Dressers, and stuff like that. I don't like it. I want to remodel the whole entire room. I've already cleaned the carpet and stuff because someone else lived here before me. Which I'm about to do that again. Because you already know, dirty people. And when I go to the store, I'm trying to get some lights for YouTube or whatever. That is not a good enough one. It's good and all, but it's not good enough. So yeah, it brings a light, but I'm gonna get new light bulbs, and I'm gonna get bright white ones. So yeah, I'm gonna get a lamp and whatever. So I have a list right here of what I need. So yeah, that's what I need. Bedside tables. I want new everything. You already know. But I don't want a new bed and stuff. But I need a new TV. That TV is hecka small. Sorry if y'all have small TVs, but it's way too small. And I'm getting a game system, and I don't want it to be small. Cause I'm gonna be playing Fortnite, probably streaming too. So yeah. Really don't want it to be a small TV. I'm getting new bed sheets, a little rug, but it says carpet, but I already have carpet in my room. But yeah, I'm getting a decor and stuff. We're gonna pick up the wall there. Some of the walls have holes in it, stuff, because the people that lived here before were messy and like to fall into walls. Whatever. So yeah, sorry I did that little death stare at y'all. Okay, so yeah, if y'all just want to see me clean the floor, I'm just kidding, y'all not gonna see me clean the floor because I did that in my last video. So yeah, the video is not gonna be uploaded. It was trash. I need to put out good content for my fans. So yeah, sorry it's not that good of content right now because I'm recording on my phone. My phone's on the charger and stuff. So yeah, but other than that, I'm gonna try to gain more subscribers, gain more views, and get some, it's called sponsorships. I tried to get one, didn't work. I have to have 1,000 fucking fans. Okay, so yeah, it's stuff like that. So yeah, I'm about to clean the floor, and I'll be back when we're at Walmart, and we're gonna go to Family Dollar for the bed sheets. We don't want to get the bed sheets at Walmart because we just don't want to. So yeah. Hey, I'm back on no video. Today's video is how I clean my floors and stuff. So yeah, I take this right here and I just shake it up. Shake it up and sprinkle it all over the floor. And then I wait for a little bit, and then I vacuum it up. So yeah, put that in speed mode. Okay, so I hope y'all like me cleaning my floor, making it extra super clean. So yeah. And thank y'all for subbing to me. Thank you for 10 subscribers. And yeah, my floor has been very clean. I vacuumed. This is my 4th time vacuuming my floor, so it's not so dirty. So yeah, and I hope y'all were. I hope. I thought I was about to end the video. Okay, so I think y'all like, why is she using the broom? Well, you're supposed to brush it out so you could clean it, so it could get everywhere. And yeah, so you could brush it and clean it to get it everywhere. So when you vacuum it, you just vacuum up all the bacteria and stuff like that. like that. So, and I don't have the little brush thing that they had. So that's why I just use my broom. So yeah. Hope y'all like my little routine of cleaning my floor. And y'all should really use this. Use the resolve method. Whatever. It's really solves all your problems. So, and you can also get this at Family Dollar. You can get this right here at Family Dollar. But yeah, now I'm just about to clean my food, like clean the stain out of my floors. I'm gonna pick it up. Oh, that was here. Or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get that everywhere in this one because it's a long stain right here. So you just want to spray this over the stains so they can come up. Okay, so yeah. And yeah. This is my second time using this. So yeah. The stains have been here since we moved here, so now I'm just trying to like really get them out. Whatever, so yeah. I guess that's why it's taking me 2 times. I don't know. Okay, so hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. Bye.